Okay, class, again, good morning. So let's answer letter B now from the book, still from pages 56 to 57. Now we have letter B, x over 4 plus 3 equals 1 half, open close bracket, 1 minus x over 3. Now again, to make this complex equation into a simpler equation, again, we need to find the LCD and multiply both sides of the equation with that LCD. Now, if we are to consider 4, 2, and 3, we know that the LCD would be 12. So we are to multiply 12 to both sides of the equation. Okay, so 12 and 12. If I'll be multiplying 12 here, so first part, or so first term, that would be 12 divided by 4 is 3 times x. So I'll be having 3x here. Okay, if I'll be multiplying 12 now with 3 there, I will have a positive 36. Oh, sorry, let me use black. Positive 36 equals, if I'll be multiplying 12 here with 1 half there, of course, do not even multiply because that's yung nasa labas ng bracket. So that will be 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Equals 6, and let me rewrite this. Okay, so let me rewrite the side of the equation first. That is 3x plus 36 is equal to, we have to multiply or distribute 6 here to this two terms. So 6 times 1, we have 6. Minus 6 divided by 3, we know that's 2, so minus 2x. So now, if you would notice, we have now from the rational equations, we have a simpler equation. Actually, it's a linear equation again, okay? So just like any other equations, we have to put the variables on just one side, and the other side of the equation is where we're going to be putting the constants, okay? So I'll be transposing negative 2x to the other side, to the left side. Now I'll be transposing 36 to the right side of the equation. So we have now 3x from negative 2x, that will be positive 2x, equals 6 minus 36. So we have now here a 5x equals a negative 30. And of course, we're not yet done. We have to multiply both sides by 5, so we can only solve for x. So this will be canceled. X is equal to negative 6. So that's the root or the solution of that rational equation. Now, of course, we're not yet done. We have to check. All right. So again, this is how we check. We simply substitute what we saw, which is x equals negative 6, to the original equation here on top. Okay. All right. So let's do that. We have now negative 6 over 4 plus 3 equals 1 half. Open bracket, 1 minus negative 6 over 3, then let's close that bracket. Okay, all right, so how do we add negative 6 over 4 again? We do know that this is over 1, and since those are dissimilar fractions, we want them to have the same fractions. So what do we multiply with 1 to make it 4? All right, of course, obviously that should be multiplied by 4. Of course, the numerator should also be multiplied by 4. All right, so let's write that down. We have now a negative 6 over 4 plus 12 over 4. All right, let's add that later on. Let's distribute 1 half first. Oh no, let's solve what's inside the bracket first before we multiply that. So 1 over 1 minus negative 6 over 3. By the way, negative 6 over 3, we do know that that is, let me just erase this. That's a negative 2, right? Negative 2. And 1 minus negative 2 is we get a positive 3. Okay? So because we have to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So that's how we got 3. All right, so negative 6 over 4 plus 12 over 4, that will be what? That's 6 over 4, right? Positive. Equals 3 times 1, that is 3 over 2. And if we do a lowest term to 6 over 4, we get 3 over 2 is equal to 3 over 2. That means we have a true statement and a correct root for this problem. Okay, so that's how we solve for letter B. Again, I'll be posting another video for letter C. Okay, thank you.